Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about Kirchhoff's law. Under Kirchhoff's law, we are having two laws, KCL and KVL. KCL means Kirchhoff's current law and KVL means Kirchhoff's voltage law. KCL is also called as current or point law. This law states that the algebraic sum of currents at a junction of network is zero. So consider a junction that is O. It is having the branches, 5 branches. So the current flowing through this branch will be I1, I2 and then I3. These are all flowing inside towards the junction, whereas I4 and I5 are flowing away from the junction. So according to this law, we can say the current flowing, that is current entering the junction, will be equal to the current leaving the junction. So I1, I2, I3 are entering currents, whereas I4 and I5 are leaving currents. By this law, we can say I1 plus I2 plus I3 will be equal to I4 plus I5. From this equation, we can write I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 will be equal to 0. Therefore, sum of currents entering the junction will be equal to sum of current leaving the junction. This is the Kirchhoff's current law. The second law of Kirchhoff's law is Kirchhoff's voltage law, that is KVL. It is also called as mesh law. According to the KVL, the algebraic sum of all the voltages in a closed circuit is 0. Just consider a circuit having two resistance and two EMF, plus two voltage source. So the voltage drop across R1 will be V1, whereas the voltage drop across R2 will be V2. So already we have known that in the series circuit, these two resistors R1 and R2 are in series connection. When two resistors are in series, the voltage drop across two resistors will be different. So the voltage drop across R1 will be V1, whereas voltage drop across R2 will be V2. So E1 and E2 are the EMF in the circuit, present in the circuit, whereas V1 and V2 are the voltage drop across the resistances. So all these are comprises the voltages. So according to this law, we can say the equation of the circuit we can write as E1 plus E2 will be equal to V1 plus V2. That is, the sum of the EMF will be equal to sum of the voltage drop across the resistances. So we can rewrite this equation as E1 plus E2. Since V1 is the voltage drop across R1, we can write as I into R1 plus I into R2. Since the current flowing through the circuit will be I, so I into R1 plus I into R2. Again we can rewrite as E1 plus E2 minus I into R1 minus I into R2, which will be equal to 0. Therefore, according to the second law, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can say sum of EMFs in the circuit will be equal to sum of voltage drop in the circuit. This is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So the difference between KVL and KCL is here in KCL the sum of the current will be considered, whereas in KVL sum of all the voltages in a closed circuit will be considered. Here we will be considering only the junction point, whereas here we will be considering a closed circuit. So this is the difference between this Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. Hope you all understood. Thank you.